In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user in Bitbucket repository. First, open Bitbucket and sign in with your Atlassian account. If you use Google to log in, choose the Google option and pick the account you normally use for work. Make sure you're signing into the correct profile that has access to your workspace, since permissions are tied to that account. Once you're in, head to your workspace and open the repositories section. This is where all the repositories you can access are listed. Find the repository where you want to add a user and click it to open the repo overview. Next, look for repository settings. Depending on your screen size, it may be in the left sidebar or under a settings gear. Inside settings, choose repository permissions. This is the area that controls who can see the repository and what they're allowed to do in it. Now click Add Users or Groups. You can add a single teammate or a group if your organization manages access through groups. In the search box, start typing the name or email of the person you want to add. If you don't see them in the results, they likely haven't been invited to your workspace yet. They'll need workspace access before you can grant them repository access. It also helps to double-check spelling and make sure you're searching for the account they actually use. When the user appears, select them, then choose the appropriate access level. In Bitbucket, common levels include read-only access for viewing code, write access for pushing commits and creating branches, and admin for managing settings and permissions. As a best practice, give the least privilege needed for the person to do their job. For example, reviewers often only need read access, while contributors need write. Reserve admin for maintainers who truly need to manage settings. After selecting the access level, click Confirm. You should see the user appear in the permissions list with the role you assigned. If you need to make a change later, you can return to the screen to adjust their level or remove access. Keep in mind that some organizations also use branch permissions. Those are separate rules that control who can push to protected branches, so repository write access doesn't automatically override branch protections. That's it. You've added a user to a Bitbucket repository. If they don't see the repo right away, ask them to refresh or ensure they've accepted any pending workspace invitation. Regularly review your permissions to keep your projects secure and organized. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.